Hi there, everybody. I hope you are all having a great day. My name is Paula, and I am a virtual support team member. Before where I am now, I had a good stretch of experience in project management. So that entails project handling, operations monitoring, administrative support, and a bit of client facing. Um, in a couple of weeks now, I'm turning 2 years old with 24x7 Direct, and I tell you, it gives me a really good feeling of gratitude just to be with this team, a team that has this type of dynamics, that be surrounded with people who are so supportive and who shares the spirit of positivity that's healthy and very helpful for me. In my current role as a virtual support team member to a financial advisory firm, I was still able to apply the skills that I've honed over the years. Mostly that would be um, to critically work under pressure when needed, be able to identify what should be prioritized, and at the same time, attention to details. That's very important. So, the tools I've been using or we've been using as a team, most of them I am not initially familiar with, but I am very grateful. That's the reason why I could not and will not get any credit at all, because if not for the support of my team members, I will not be able to deliver. So I would say that it's my team members who have been the instrument for me to also learn the things that we needed to use for work. Okay, and so for working now for the client and with my co-members in the course of time, I have been given the chance to rediscover myself and continue to improve on the areas that I am suitable to grow. Now, altogether, it makes somebody such as myself to just want to make sure all the more that I provide the best support to any team that I work with, to also be able to properly secure information and just to continue to better myself at the same time as I deliver and as I learn.